I'm Jason Price. I'm in the Environmental Studies program, a really neat program at Illinois College. I like the interdisciplinary nature of it. I'm a very interdisciplinary geologist. I just really liked the idea of a liberal arts college and all the different disciplines coming together. If there's one thing I learned when I was doing environmental consulting, is that you have to know how to write, you have to know how to speak, you have to know how to interact interpersonally with clients. So if anybody plans on going and doing environmental work, be prepared to use everything you've learned in college. So the opportunity to have resources to conduct student-faculty research at Illinois College, I do think is fairly unique. To take the trip to Colorado was one of the things that actually attracted me to Illinois College. The project, it was held in Rocky Mountain National Park, and there's a lake there called the Lock. And the project was taking the students and all of our equipment that we needed to collect sediment off the bottom of the lock. And you do this through the ice. You core a hole in 3-foot thick ice and then put core barrels down through the ice and pound them into the sediment, and then you have to pull them back out. By collecting sediment core, not only can we measure the amount of phosphorus in the sediment, but we can actually see how changes in phosphorus have occurred over geologic time since that sediment started to be deposited. One thing I noticed very quickly on is while we were up there collecting the sediment, the students began to ask very good questions, scientific questions. And I think they also learned a bit of teamwork. That this took all of us. We all had to get out there and do this, and it's not something anybody could do by themselves. I think that was sort of an interesting discovery to them, that people are doing this kind of work and all the important scientific information that comes out of it. I'd like to see Illinois College continue to get the reputation for a school that's not afraid to take on very challenging field work, probably some of the toughest anybody will ever face, and accomplish it very, very successfully.